Wisconsin Governor Scott Walker today called for a special legislative session to deal with health care, prompted by what he calls a failure of the federal government. Walker wants lawmakers in his state to extend the deadline for moving 77,000 people off of Medicaid. The governor wants to move the deadline to March 31st. Walker made Medicaid eligibility tougher in Wisconsin, saying those in need could apply for coverage via the federal exchange. But problems with the government's implementation of the Affordable Care Act have forced Walker to extend the deadline.
We've been considering this since we put the budget together. That's why we put the language in the budget in the first place about the extension. We just didn't know. I mean, a lot of us had concerns philosophically and practically about Obamacare. We just didn't know it would be as abysmal a failure in terms of the rollout.
Senate Majority Leader Scott Fitzgerald says he wasn't sure how much support Walker has in the chamber for the proposal, saying the legislature shouldn't have to bail out Democrats for the problems of the health care overhaul launch. He said he'd rather extend the deadline on a month-to-month basis.